Surviving the blizzard storm in my truck
We're eating.
with my grandbaby. She's waking up.
Hi.
Just grilled some stuff on the grill, some bacon, some breakfast. It is still 9 degrees in Austin, Texas. And this is how we're surviving. We've been out of power for the last 5 hours. And it is still freezing cold. As you can see, again, 9 degrees, -5, -6. So we have to improvise to stay warm. Got another car to jump in if I run out of gas, because you can't go anywhere on these roads. It's just stuck. So this is what we do, huh, Aviana? She said yes. She's waking up. She just ate.
Yeah.
But we gotta keep her warm.
Yeah. So that's why
The GMC comes in handy. Taco time.